Whatever happened to those beige PC cases from the 90s? Well, guess what? They're back, and we built in it. Check this out. All right, so this is the FLP02 from Silverstone. A cool thing about this is they've taken a lot of the cool things about 90s cases, but made them so you don't cut your fingers on them. Anyone who built the old cases knows what I'm talking about. Check this out. It's got a 5070 Ti, 9800X 3D. It's got a 360 millimeter AIO all inside this beautiful case. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it's also got 32 gigs of memory. That's probably worth more than the entire build. Some cool things about this. I've talked about this before. Turbo button, a lock button if you want to disable the power feature. So if you do this, it doesn't turn off your PC. Cool things about this case is it maintains that old look and that old style while being able to house modern components.